Meet the Eagle ETT-12X tug, engineered to handle large aircraft with more power, more control, and absolute reliability. For high-demand operations like MROs, corporate flight departments, and busy FBOs, the ETT-12X is built to perform. Here's why the ETT-12X stands out and how Pilot John International and Eagle help your operation stay flight ready. Powered by a strong electric motor, the ETT-12X delivers an impressive 12,000 pounds of drawbar pull, making light work of heavy aircraft. Its electric power source means fewer emissions and a quieter operation, perfect for an environmentally conscious facility. With four-wheel drive and four-wheel steer, the ETT-X lineup gives operators responsive maneuvering and a 135-inch turning radius. Whether you're moving an aircraft into a narrow hangar or positioning it on a crowded ramp, the ETT-12X responsive control system is up to the task. Lithium-ion and lead-acid battery options are available. The ETT-12X is designed for long shifts without downtime. Safety remains our priority. The ETT-12X includes an emergency stop in front and rear, seat belts, a four-wheel split brake system, and all LED lighting. So why choose the ETT-12X? It's designed for operations that demand heavy-duty performance, with options like an enclosed heated cab for comfort, custom paint, and adapters for larger aircraft. This tug is truly tailored to meet the demands of larger ground support tasks. When reliability, power, and versatility in all weather conditions are non-negotiable, the ETT-12X tug is the choice that delivers. Reach out to one of our aviation specialists today to discover how the ETT-12X can help your team stay flight ready.